Hello everyone, my name is Anirudh and my roll number is 22BQ1A1233. Today I am discussing about double linked list topic. Why we are using double linked list is because in every other type of linked list we can't access the previous node data easily. So we are using double linked list in which there are two links. So it is easy to access the previous node data and also the successor node data. So here is an example for double linked list. So here there are two parts. For one part is next part and the other part is previous part, and the middle one is for data. So here this one points to this and this one points to this. Similarly 15 points to 20 and previous of 20 points to 15, and the next part of 20 will be null because there is no another node available. And also here in the first node the previous part is also null, and this is the head. So now I am defining the structure of the double linked list. So as I said, there are two parts. One is the next part and the other one is the previous part. So both of these are pointers, they hold address locations. So I am going to take them as struct DLL start next struct DLL start previous, and we also have to store data, which is an integer data, so I am taking int data. This is the structure of a double linked list node. So I am using type def and renaming it as node. Okay, and as it is the first node of the double linked list, it is equal to head equals to. So we have defined type using type def. We have used type def and renamed it as node. So at first head is we initialize head with null. So head is of node data type. Like in every other linked list, we can perform different types of operations in double linked list. Now I am going to explain insertion operations on double linked list. So in insertion operations there are three types. Insertion at the beginning, insertion at the end, and also insertion at the middle or after the node data, after given node data. So first I am performing insertion at the front. So let us take a node double linked list as follows. So let us create another node with data equals to 5, which has to be inserted at the beginning. and both the previous and the next parts of the node will be initialized with null. So we are calling it as new node. So if we have to insert this node in front of the double linked list, we have to initialize this next part of the new node. So here I am initializing new node next with head. Okay, now I am also initializing head previous equals to new node, which points to new node. So I am also, since it is the first node of the double linked list, we are going to update the value of the head. Now head equals to new node. So the updated double linked list would be as follows. So as we updated the head, now head points to node with data equals to 5. So this is how we perform insertion at the front. Now we are going to perform insertion at the end. So to perform insertion at the end, first we have to know which node is the last one. So we take another variable ptr and traverse it until ptr next equals to null. So here ptr next not equals to null, so we update ptr equals to ptr next. Again ptr next not equals to null, so we update ptr equals to ptr next. But here ptr next equals to null. Now we take another variable, another new node with data equals to 25. So here the next part of ptr has to point to the new node and new node's previous has to point to ptr. So we are updating those values as follows. So now after insertion at the end, the new node, the double linked list will be as follows. So now we have performed insertion at the beginning and also insertion at the end. So now we are going to perform insertion at middle or before a node with given data. So let us consider the following double linked list. So here it is a double linked list. let us take another new node with data equals to 5, which I would like to insert after the element 15, which will be taken as key. Key equals to 15. Here we know that head points to the node with data equals to 10. So we have to find where the node with data equals to 15. So I am taking another variable ptr and traversing it until ptr data equals to key or ptr data becomes null. If equals to null if the data is not found in the double linked list. So ptr data equals to 10, which is not equal to 15. So ptr equal to ptr next. Now ptr equals to ptr points to the node with data 15. ptr data equals to 15, which is the given key. So we have to insert the new node after the node with data equals to 15. So I am taking another variable current equals to ptr and I am updating ptr equals to ptr next. So ptr points here and current points here. So now updating current next equals to new node. Which means this link will be removed. So now it points to the new node. And I am updating new node previous equals to current. Now I have to update this link to node with data equals to 20. So now I take ptr previous equals to new node. That means this link will be gone and it points to this node. And now new node next equals to ptr. So after insertion, the double linked list will be as follows. So now we have performed all the insertion operations. Thank you.